Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but welcome back to another video here with Yesenia. So I've been wanting to organize my bathroom, and you guys will see in a different blog that I mentioned we had kind of like remodeled the bathroom. Not really remodeled. I wouldn't say remodeled. We got a new sink and we put a different tile on the side. So let me show you guys. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys like this type of organization, type of videos, let me know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and come be part of this beautiful. So I have already all my stuff that I'll be organizing. Might even organize some of that stuff too. But this is the new sink. The video doesn't do any justice. It's kind of like a nude pink color with like a silver faucet. And then this is the tile that they used. So yeah, I'm going to try and organize here on top, and then down below I have a couple things down here that I have to take out and organize. But yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to start with all my heat tools. I have this basket that I have it on, but I think I kind of have to get rid of some. So let's go through it and see. Okay guys, so I got this baskets and savers. So I have this other one. this one. Top this tiny ones, which this won't even be enough for my hair products. Oh guys, I should have bought more baskets. But yeah, I have this one, which I think this one I will put it down below. It has like those like compartments. This one, I do not know. So I think I might use one of these ones. For the rest. Like that. See. Okay, so this is how I have my hair appliances. And let me show you guys. The rest of this will be a voiceover or like a fast through. So yeah, let's go. And there you guys go. This is the final organization that I did on my bathroom. What do you guys think? I know it could been better, but I enjoyed organizing my bathroom and just organizing all my hair products. I definitely didn't know how much hair products I have, and I still want more. You guys know this is my job, so I love purchasing new hair products and trying them out for you guys, for anyone that has wavy curly hair. So here it is. This is the bottom, which I wish it looked prettier, but this is what has to work for now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my butterfly family, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That helps me out a lot and lets me know that you guys enjoyed this type of videos. So yeah, love you guys, and remember that we are all beautiful in our own way. Don't let anyone tell you or make you feel any less. Bye guys.